Explain to me the background now about the situation in Tripura, the indigenous tribals, what happened to them, uh, partition, post-partition politics. Explain a little bit to our viewers who don't understand about this. How did it happen? How did you become a state? What happened then?
नहीं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्टेक्स्ट में लाके बोलते हैं कि त्रिपुरा वॉज नेवर अ पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया. वी वर अ इंडिपेंडेंट हिल त्रिपुरा स्टेट. इंडिया became a country in 1947.
Your grandfather was the king at
My
the time
grandfather was the king. He passed away before independence. My father was the ruling king. My grandmother was the regent queen. We merged in India in 1949 after my grandmother had direct communication with Sardar Patel. Before that also, my grandfather had very good relationship with Mahatma Gandhi.
And your grandmother was
Kanchan Prabha Devi. So she was from Panna, and she had relations with Gujarat because of her father being from there, and Sardar Patel as well. So we had a very good us समय.
How did he convince?
He didn't convince her. She reached out to Sardar Patel because there was movement of East Pakistan troops in the border of Tripura, and they wanted to take over Tripura and make it a part of East Pakistan.
Even though language-wise, religion-wise,
exactly.
I think you were...
No, we are Tripuris are largely Hindus.
Hindus, yeah. I think 90% or something were... Even Chittagong Hill
Chittagong Hill tracks
70.
are Hindus, Buddhists, Chakmas are Buddhists.
Yeah. So let's get into that later as to what happened with the Ratcliffe line. But first, let's talk about
So,
this.
what happened was that we took a conscious decision of being in a secular India or an inclusive India rather than a Islamic Pakistan. And my grandmother took that decision and we became a part of India. Prior to that, there were a lot of riots which took place in Bengal. Undivided Bengal, then East Pakistan, present day East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, in Noakhali, in Kumilla, in Bandarban. And a lot of our Hindu Bengalis, brothers and sisters, they were killed. Their properties were burnt. उनके घर को जलाया गया.
Yeah.
Women were raped. Temples were burnt. So they all came over to Tripura. Tripura के ट्राइबल लोगों ने शरण दिया. Because obviously this was a crisis. और उसके बाद ये लोग जो आए त्रिपुरा में वो वापस तो जा नहीं सके क्योंकि वहाँ में एक इतना एंटी माइनॉरिटी, एंटी बुद्धिस्ट, एंटी हिंदू, एंटी क्रिश्चियन सेंटिमेंट बन गया कि ये लोग अपने घर जा भी नहीं सके. तो त्रिपुरा में रह गए. और क्योंकि त्रिपुरा ने अपने पॉपुलेशन से 3 गुना लोगों को ज़्यादा अब्जॉर्ब किया तो ट्राइबल्स को एलिनेशन हो गया, भूमिहीन हो गए क्योंकि ऑब्वियस है कि इतने लोग आए. तो वहाँ से एक ट्राइबल के दिल के अंदर एक दुख आया और इसको एक्सप्लॉइट किया गया पॉलिटिकली. पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ ने एक्सप्लॉइट किया, फॉरेन पावर्स ने एक्सप्लॉइट किया, इंसर्जेंसी हुई, राइट्स हुआ. मुझे आज क्या लगता है, दिस इज़ व्हाट आई फील टुडे एंड आई फर्मली बिलीव दैट इफ़ द ट्राइबल्स ऑफ त्रिपुरा एंड द हिंदू माइनॉरिटीज़ हु हैव कम फ्रॉम ईस्ट पाकिस्तान एंड बांग्लादेश, आज अगर हम लोग हाथ मिला ले तो हम बांग्लादेश को सबक सिखा सकते हैं. उस बांग्लादेश को जिसने उनके पुरखों के ज़मीन से उनको निकाला, उनके मंदिरों को जलाया, उनकी संपत्ति लूटी, उनको मारा. और हमारा जो पुराना जो त्रिपुरा भी था, जो ग्रेटर त्रिपुरा लैंड में बोलता हूँ, जो जहाँ में आपका चिटागोंग हिल ट्रैक्स आता है, कॉक्स बाज़ार आता है, इफ़ वी कैन एक्चुअली रिक्लेम दैट एरिया, क्योंकि आज भी वहाँ में हमारे लोग बांदरबन एरिया में, खागराछड़ी में हैं, कॉक्स बाज़ार की तरफ.
Literally an ethnic genocide out there.
It is genocide and people, and अगर हमने उस लाइन को ले लिया, वी आर लैंड लॉक्ड. यू नो, मोहम्मद यूनुस ने वो स्टेटमेंट दिया ना कि चिकन्स नेक एंड लैंड लॉक्ड. ये त्रिपुरा से, साबरूम से सिर्फ 40 किलोमीटर दूर है, 50 किलोमीटर दूर है. अगर वो एरिया हमने ले लिया तो द होल ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्ट, नॉट जस्ट त्रिपुरा, द होल ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्ट विल इकोनॉमिकली बूम. We can trade freely, economic zone to Indonesia, to Malaysia, to Thailand, to Singapore, to Australia. The Northeast's entire map will change. And we will no longer be landlocked. And वो जो chicken snake जिसके बारे में मोहम्मद यूनुस हमको धमकाता है, वो भी खत्म हो जाएगा.
What do you think for, when partition happened, when all this happened, did the people of Tripura not raise the voice for that area, that Chicken Neck area? It could have been taken in at that time.
It could have been taken at that time. I think we are all wiser by the past. We are thankfully, we could have even raised this voice in 1971 when we broke Bangladesh into 2 parts. उस समय आई थिंक दैट जब 90,000 पाकिस्तान सोल्जर्स थे उस समय, हम अगर चिटगांव और कॉक्स बाजार ले लेते तो आज हमारा नक्शा आई मीन वी वुड हैव बीन, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट डोनर मिनिस्ट्री इन आसियान, we would have been booming. We do not, Smita, I tweeted once, we don't need to go to Goa to see the beach. We would have just gone to Chittagong Hill Tracks and you would have had the beach.
For young viewers and listeners who don't know, just a small, I'm just going to cut away a little bit into this. When the subcontinent was partitioned in 47, the hilly region in the northeast that we are talking about was divided like this. The Chittagong Hill Tracts, they fell to Pakistan, which is East Pakistan, which became Bangladesh. The Arakan Hill Tracts were incorporated into Burma, and the Hill Tripura, which is now Tripura, and the Lushai Hills, now Mizoram, became part of India. Go ahead.
True. So, the biggest bottleneck that we have, we talk about people coming from northeast to Delhi, we face difficulty, रहने का, some people say racism होता है, and we have so much of problems coming from, let's say, Agartala or a Shillong or a Dimapur or a Haflong or Itanagar to Delhi or to Bangalore. All this could have been solved if we were economically self-sustainable. And I still say that if the Hindu Bengali population and the tribals realize that the real, उनका असली शत्रु घर में नहीं है, बाहर में है, और जो हमारे लोगों को जिसने हाथ में बंदूक भी दी वो भी बांग्लादेश के लोग थे, ISI लोग थे, और जिसने हिंदू बंगाली को मार के, चाकमास को मार के काप्ताई डैम से निकाला, हमारे लोगों को मारा, आज भी मार रहे हैं, वो भी वही बांग्लादेशी लोग थे. Then we can come together and then we can look ahead. If we keep on fighting amongst ourselves for small petty little things, nothing will happen. And that's why I'm been telling Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji that ये विवाद को ख़त्म करो, असली दुश्मन सरहद के उस पार है, इसको ख़त्म करके उसमें ध्यान देते हैं. And let's, like Trump says, let's make America great again, let's make Northeast great again. And we can. And let's not forget, 1.70 crore minorities are still there in Bangladesh today. चिटगांग हिल ट्रैक्स में लोग जानते नहीं हैं, 72 आवर्स तक तिरंगा लहराते रहा, इनको लगा कि हम हिंदुस्तान के अंग हो गए. 72 आवर्स के बाद पाकिस्तान आर्मी came and then they brought down the tricolour and then they massacred our people. आज भी आप जाके देखेंगे, I keep on getting phone calls from my Tiprasa people from Bangladesh. They are all, they saying, हुकुम करो, हम लोग तैयार हैं. They are ready. Government of India, हमको एक बात समझ में नहीं आता, why are we so soft? बांग्लादेश को आज हम लोग नहीं, if we do not take them on first, they will take us on. और हमारा क्या पॉलिसी है, बांग्लादेश कुछ करेगा, हम टिकटॉक बैन कर देंगे, उनके आर्टिस्ट को, उनके संग क्रिकेट नहीं खेलेंगे, आर्टिस्ट को बैन करेंगे. अरे शेख हसीना, शेख मुजीबुर रहमान, they were a friend of India, but that was one family. One family is not the representation of the whole nation. Today they have vandalized the statue of their own founding father. इंडिया में तो महात्मा गांधी का हम ऐसा कभी नहीं करेंगे. शेख मुजीबुर रहमान के स्टैचू को उन्होंने वैंडलाइज किया. सत्यजीत रे का घर को उन्होंने मतलब वैंडलाइज किया. रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, हु रोट द नेशनल एंथम ऑफ बांग्लादेश, आज उनको उनके घर में उनके स्टैचू को, उनकी मूर्ति को वैंडलाइज कर रहे. और आज भी कुछ लोग हैं जिनको लगता है कि वो मेरे भाई हैं. वो अगर आपके भाई होते तो कभी भी आपको अपने ही देश से बाहर नहीं निकालता.
Or 71, some people feel that 71 was a lost opportunity. This was the time we should have taken when we created Bangladesh or helped in the creation of Bangladesh. That was the time we should have taken these tracks.
Absolutely.
Chittagong at least in
the West created East Timor out of Indonesia. We can do the same. We have no friends left in our neighborhood. Nepal is in the hands of the Chinese. Sri Lanka, the entire port, the Chinese interests are there. Pakistan, of course, is a failed state. Barring Bhutan, do we have any friends? There is a huge Jamaat-e-Islami sentiment in Bangladesh, which is against all of us. They've gone and vandalized Maharaja Bir Chandra Library, the Kumila Library.
Yeah.
They've gone
Tagore's
and no Maharaja Tripura Maharaja's thing, which is one of the oldest libraries.
No,
there.
what I'm saying also
Tagore statue
Yeah.
house. They've gone. There's a freedom fighter called Tirot Singh. He's a Khasi freedom fighter. What has he got to do with the Bangladesh with Sheikh Hasina? They went and they broke the statue of Tirot Singh. Their sentiment is completely fundamentalist, and their hatred towards us is because of their fundamental extremism which is growing in Bangladesh.
How much is the spillover is affecting Tripura?
Absolutely, a lot. It's affecting Tripura a lot. It is people are changing their first name. They're changing their first name and they're coming in, they're getting their Aadhaar card. They speak the same language, so you can't identify. साड़ी पहन के आ जाते हैं, सर में टीका लगा कर आ जाते हैं, नाम पहला नाम आपने कुछ और रख दिया, आप आ गए, आधार कार्ड मिल गया, वोटर आईडी मिल गया, पैन कार्ड मिल गया. अरे जो सैफ अली खान को जिसने छुरी मारा था मुंबई में, वो कहाँ से आया? क्या वो सीरिया से आया था? वो तो बांग्लादेश से आया था. तो ईस्ट देयर इज अ ह्यूज प्रॉब्लम. और मैं यही बात बीजेपी के लोगों को भी बोलना चाहता हूँ, आपको चुनाव हारना हार जाइए, लेकिन देश को बचा दीजिए. हमको हमेशा वोट बैंक पॉलिटिक्स के लिए हम सॉफ्ट जाते हैं. वी डोंट थिंक अबाउट द सिक्योरिटी ऑफ द कंट्री. यू आर गोइंग टू हैव अ नेशनल सिक्योरिटी प्रॉब्लम if this continues. And West is saturated. East is a